Hello mga tester. Today, I'm going to show you how to do your channel art, or they call this one YouTube banner. Okay, you have to download Canva. That's what I'm using. Okay, Canva. Click Canva and then search. On search, just search YouTube. There you go, and then it's gonna come out. It says there's YouTube channel art, YouTube display ad, YouTube icon, thumbnail, whatever you want to do, but we're going to do channel art today. Okay, this is the design that if you want to put it, just change the text, but I'm going to show you a simple way to do it. We're going to go on blank. Okay, on blank, just click the blank page and gallery, photo, video, color. I'm going to put color. We're going to put yellow. Okay, now we're on yellow. On yellow, I'm going to click plus. I'm going to go to my image. On image, you have to download this one here. Just go to your Google Chrome, type YouTube banner, and you're gonna see this banner, and copy this one so you can put it in your art. Just stretch this one here and there. Okay, and then you see that in the top one corner, the trash can, circle with 3 dots, click that one there, and then the transparency came out. Click that one, do your transparency, make it lighter, not too light, so you see where you're going to put your text. Okay, I think that's good enough. Okay, now we're going to put text. Click the plus sign, text, that's the text there, but I'm going to add some text on your own. Okay, and then look for text that you like to put it. Lots of font in here. Okay, we're just gonna do a simple thing just to show you a simple way to put it. Put that one there, make it a little bit bigger, put it there, just tap that one there. There you go. If you see that one there highlighted like that, you can change the text. And I'm going to change my text. There you go. And then now we click. Okay, and then we're going to make a shadow. Okay, to make a shadow, you see the trash can and the two paper. Click that two paper. Then now we have a duplicate. The two paper there is a duplicate. Okay, then we're going to change the color of the duplicate one. We're going to put red. That's red there. We're going to make it red. There you go. And then just adjust it. There you go. We have a Kapitan. If you're not satisfied on that one there, like it's too small, if you want more bigger, so it's easy way to do. Just tap that one, the other one, take it out, delete it, trash can. There you go. Make it bigger. Oh, what's the okay, make it bigger. See, there you go. It's bigger. And then duplicate, change color, red, Okay, and then just adjust it. Now we have a shadow. Okay, if you think it's too up, tap it again, take it out, tap this one here, adjust it. You can do it like that, but I don't like it. Just like that. Okay, then on the bottom I'm gonna put text on the bottom. If you want to add some more text, again click the plus sign, text, make it bigger. Okay, tap it again, duplicate. We're gonna put shadow. Blue. Okay, just put it there. There you go. Then if you want to add some more logo, your image, put banana, just make it smaller. Duplicate. I'm gonna put the other side too. Okay. Okay, Kapitan Inko kumakain ng banana. Okay, and then now if you want to put more, it's up to you guys. I'm just gonna show you what's gonna be on your cell phone. Okay, if you want to put some more, put more. Okay, this is only a simple way to show you guys. Okay, and then now tap it, your background, that one there, we're going to take out that one, the background. Just delete it. There you go, the background is gone. And then click the arrow down, and this one is gonna save in your gallery. Okay, now it's done. Just go out. Okay, now to do this one, you have to go to your browser. Okay, your browser, see that one there I downloaded before? Just go to your browser and type, don't forget to type YouTube banner, and this one's gonna pop out, and then download it. Okay, on YouTube, okay, this one here, you have to click your profile, your channel, and then customize channel. Okay, here we go, customize channel. We go branding. Okay, you see the TV, laptop, and cell phone. Click upload. Okay, now browse, and look which one we make. This one here. Okay, see that one there, the banana is cut. That one there is you're gonna see if you're gonna view it on desktop, the other half banana. Okay, if you want if you're going to view it on TV, you have to put more logos on the top and the bottom. Okay, this one, the one that with yellow, you're seeing it right now, this is for cell phone. Okay, now we're gonna check it. Click done. Okay, now publish. Then you're gonna see at the bottom there, go to your channel, click that one there, and there you go. Charan! That's your logo. That's the easy step that you can do. Okay guys, if you learned something for me, please subscribe, click the like button, click the bell so I can notify you on my next video. Click all. You never know, maybe you're the winner of my raffles soon, coming soon. Thank you very much guys. I have a raffle coming soon. Thank you and have a nice day. Bye bye.